Hey there! Did you know that the average American eats about 279 eggs a year? That's a lot of eggs. But have you ever wondered how eating eggs every day affects your body? Stick around because I'm about to dive into this egg-citing topic. And trust me, you don't want to miss the special tip at the end that could change the way you look at eggs forever. First off, let's talk about protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it a convenient and efficient way to meet your daily protein needs. But that's not all. Eggs also contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Now, let's move on to vitamins and minerals. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. On the other hand, vitamin D is important for bone health and immune function. And don't forget selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Here's a fun fact: the yolk is where you'll find most of the nutrients. So don't just stick to egg whites, you're missing out on a lot of goodness. But wait, what about cholesterol? It's true that eggs are high in cholesterol, with one large egg containing about 186 milligrams. However, recent studies suggest that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. In fact, consuming eggs can actually increase your good HDL cholesterol. All right, let's address the big question. Can eating eggs every day be bad for you? For most healthy individuals, eating up to 3 whole eggs per day is perfectly safe. However, if you have specific health conditions like diabetes or heart disease, it might be best to consult your doctor for personalized advice. Now for that special tip I promised. Are you ready? If you're looking to boost the nutritional value of your eggs, try adding some veggies like spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers. Not only will you get a delicious meal, but you'll also be packing in extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So what do you think? Will you be adding more eggs to your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Also, participate in our poll on whether you prefer scrambled, fried, or boiled eggs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.